it down now. You know what you acting like it down now. You know you acting like it down now. I tear the club up from show. This flow is gonna bring no dough. You know what you acting like it down now. I say I'm running cause I'm in control. Hypnotic in the city, a couple shots of Patron. I ain't feeling nice, I get your eyes okay. Party conversation coming with me tonight. I ain't celebrating, I ain't snapping and popping either. I'm rolling my head on, I'm standing there watching. I'm a hustler, I hustle. You can tell that I'm paid and I protect what I got. I'm in the house with my blade, nigga. You what you gon' get it? Okay, now maybe I'm silly, cause I want you to treat it. Yeah, I be on that shit. You should see when I'm starting, I flex skills to be button. Push the bitch to be rolling. You can tell that I'm hollering. I'm just doing my thing. You know the units the game. I got my grind, you shaky with me. You front, you'll have to get me off your ass. A bit of lawsuit and laugh. It's not a big deal, it's nothing but some cash. Let's go. You know you acting like it down now. I tear the club up from show. This flow is gonna bring no dough. You know what you acting like it down now. You know you acting like it down now. I tear the club up from show. This flow is gonna bring no dough.
Yep, here we go. Yep, not one water heater, fucking 3 water heaters, dog, on the set. Yep. Turns out I bought the wrong water heater, but is what it is, guy. Yep. Go ahead and double the price, guy. Double the price. Malt Liquor.
Yeah, drop the beats. In the planet of Earth, I am the most famous person of the world. Everybody knows who I am, even the people who don't know who I am. Because I am very super famous, super famous, super famous, very super famous. A lot of people know I exist. I am very super famous, super famous, super famous, very super famous. You are not, so you are shit. All around the world, people know who I am, even in the Chinese countries like Japan. North, south, east, west to east. I make their panties wet like basements in New Orleans. In the French language, girls say mon moitié génito. Spanish girls also say things, but I don't know what they're talking about because I don't speak Spanish at all. But they're probably talking about how my penis is super non-small. I let the vaginist...
Yep. So I got a guy, you know, which is my guy, pulls up. He said, hey guy, you got the wrong fucking heater. Wrong fucking water heater. Yep, you need the one with the power vent on it. I said, okay, guy. Yep, let's go to Home Depot. There you have it. Yep, 40,000 BTUs, Doug. Yep, it's hotter than hell.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the beat, slapping the hole. Went to the park to get the scoop. Knuckleheads out there, cold shooting. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the beat, rocking the beat. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the beat, rocking the beat. Cruising down the street in my 6'4", jocking the beat, rocking the beat. Cruising down the street in my jocking the beat.
Yep, just past the door flying. You see anybody cam up with 3 fucking water heaters on the set? 3 water heaters. You can't have enough water heaters, dog. But yeah. Home Depot. Malt Liquor. So yeah, it's official now. It's official. Yep, so there was an issue 1 week ago. And here we are 1 week later. Yep, fucking winning. Man. Yep, you got a guy, I got a guy. Sometimes you gotta have multiple guys. Yep. Yep, you got a guy, I got a guy. Yep. What my guy said, you know, guy, don't try and homebrew a fucking installation. Get a trained professional, dog. Trained professional. Because you'll find a way to fuck it up. Then not only he's got to fix your fucking problem, he's got to do the fucking job. Shout out to having a guy. Man, I've already been drinking, so, you know, could be a long one. Already been drinking. I've been drinking through the installation. Yep, shout out to everybody watching my water heater Malt Liquor videos. You know, even till the very end. Yep. Wrong fucking water heater. Wrong water heater guy. But I got it. I say, I got it, guy. I got it. That's what I needed. Man, liquor. Yep, just to put the numbers out, that's a $1,300 water heater. This one's $750. Plus taxes, $800. Yep. This one's made for chimneys. That one has the power vent on it. Two different things. Yep. Shout out to the old water heater. Great American-made products. Lasting 3 decades. 30 years. Yep, did I say 40,000 BTUs? This one's 35.5. 40,000 BTUs, dog. Yep, feel the BTUs. Man, liquor. Yep. This is probably the only malt liquor video or any video on YouTube, you know, that they're happy to have a new hot water heater, you know. Yep, just another prop, Malt Liquor Entertainment, another set. Yeah, nobody says, oh, hey, guy, congratulations on that new water heater, you know. Is what it is. Oh, yeah. Shout out to my guy.
Miscellaneous minds, never expanding my minds. Grin for my alias, enemies who respond. Peddling sin, thinking every way to get on, trivialized. I'm not gonna fold the mass. I don't smoke crack, motherfucker, I sell it. Bitch, everything I rap was a quarter piece to your melon. So if you have a relapse, just relax and pop it like this. Don't you copy the fucking girl, I'ma copy to get with this. Tell Flex to drop a bomb on this shit. So many bombs with the alarm like Vietnam on this shit. So many bombs with Ferragamo, think that's a dime in this bitch. One at a time, I line them up and bomb on their mom when she watching the kids. I'm in a destruction mode if the gold exists. I'm in pole like the Pope. I'm a Muslim on coke. I'm Machiavelli's offspring. I'm the king of New York, king of the coast. One hand, I juggle them both. The juggernaut fell in your juggler. You take me for jokes. Live in the basement, church pews and funeral faces. Cardio bracelets. For my women friends, I'm in Vegas. Who the fuck y'all thought it supposed to be? If Phil Jackson came back, still no coaching me. I'm uncoachable, I'm unsociable. Fuck y'all clubs, fuck y'all pictures. Y'all with the rap, you got all these nuts. Got more dick up to you, look up, my big homie corrupt. This the same flow that put the rap game on the crutch. I seen niggas transform like villain Decepticons. Miley Spotty turn these niggas to fucking Lindsay Lohan. A bunch of bitch ass white girls looking for bodies, playing with Barbies. Wreck the bus before you give them the car key. Trust me to the monopoly.
Yep. I don't normally cam up before when I'm drinking before, you know. So is what it is, you know. Normally a 40 out the gate, but you know, installation, dog. Installation.
Blessings to Paul McCartney. You call me a black beetle, I'm either dead or a Marley. I don't smoke that motherfucker, I sell it. I'm dressed in all black, this is not for the fan of Elvis. I'm aiming straight for your pelvis. You can't stomach me, you play no stumping me. Bitch, I been jumping for you, put a gun on me. Bitch, I put one on yours and shiny Connery. James Bond with none of you niggas climbing 100 mil in front of me. And I'm gon' get it even if you're in the way. And if you're in it, better run for peace sake. I heard the barbershops being great debates all the time. About who's the best MC, Kendrick, Trigger, and I. Eminem, Andre 3000, the rest of y'all. New niggas, just new niggas, don't get involved. And I ain't rocking no more designer shit. White tees and Nike Cortez, this red Corvettes anonymous. I'm usually homeboys with the same niggas I'm on with. But this is hip hop, and them niggas should know what time it is. And that goes for Jamaica, Big Crit, my lane. Pusha T, Meek Mills, A$AP Rocky, Drake, Big Sean, Jay Electron, Tyler McMillan. I got love for you all, but I'm trying to murder you niggas. Trying to murder you niggas. But I'm trying to murder you niggas. I'm reporting like the Pope. I'm the king of New York. I'm live from South Central. I'm a million on points. I'm reporting like the Pope. I'm the king of New York. I'm live from South Central. I'm a million.
Yep, the swivel there. So yeah, when shit goes wrong, you know, moral of the story is, you know, have some fucking treasure on hand, dog. Home repairs, views, subscriptions. Yep, water heaters, multiple water heaters on the set. Yep, shout to that cardboard box. That's another set right there. I could put a chair in there. I could sit down and drink malt liquor out of the cardboard box that my water heater came in on. Yep, that's another set. Another set.
Don't listen to the hump, listen to the crook. I got the hoodie and the mask on, coming for the drugs. If I ain't got shit, but a pocket full of lame. Got a fully loaded 45 hoopty with the 10. Now I get money I got. If not, I have some when I get off your block. Like jail, you can piss off, get off the pot, rob your whole crew. You won't even get off a shot. Ain't a blood, but I get red, dickhead. I'll throw the gun in your bitch ass and open the safe. If you don't, you won't believe how I open the face.
Yep, I'm so overwhelmed with joy with the new water heater, you know. Again, I've been drinking before the video, so overwhelmed with joy. Yep, look at the new water heater. Heating up water. Yep, you saw Muskrat tucked his chain in. Yep, Muskrat tucked his chain in. Yep. He ain't gonna laugh that I had to replace my water heater, you know. He doesn't want that $1,300 bill. Plus insulation. Yep. Muskrat didn't want that on his conscience. Yep. $1,300 for the unit plus insulation. You go fuck yourself, guy. Man, liquor.
Cover up, throw a body parts all over the place. A little man wanna fuck it in. Come in the asshole and thinking why I even gave a gun to this rascal. Now you don't want no type of hassle. You the king till the ghost run up in your castle. Know I'ma load it up, point him out, I hold him up. Like a newborn baby, I fuck around and throw him up. 9 mil shiny, little men behind me. Fuck about rap, nigga, I'm still mad, grimy. Got cash, but I ain't multi. Got a new blade, neck, need a new bow tie. A little mama like, daddy, why you get so high? You stay grounded and rob niggas to get so fly. Feel me, about to rob these niggas and rap. Way up to my niggas who got. I got my mind on crack, on my mind on gas. Run up on the kid, I'ma cock it back and put your little spine on lap. Now the ghost probably smoking the roach blunt. Seen a little grimy niggas who listen to do what the coach want. Now I get money, money I got. If not, I let the shotgun go on your block.
Look, talk what I live, y'all. Real shit, old-fashioned bars that these niggas ain't able to give y'all. Take it back like Valars and Theodores. Me and more, the 4-5 and the 4-4. Ain't gotta tell you I get it, cause you know I got it. Risk my freedom and get what I got in the closet. As far as what I got in the bank, came from a few rhymes that I had in the tank. If I ain't had a burner on me, then I had me a shank. In the cut with a Dutch, about to have me a drink. Don't say 200 on the dash and the engine is funny. I'm swimming in money, nigga. Still spending Benjamin money, yeah. I could drop with a royal flush on my moon and Grammys. Got
Yep, so there you have it. The celebration of Steele's downfall of his hot water heater is fucking over. Yep, back fucking winning. Old English 800 brand Malt Liquor is refreshing and fucking delicious. None of your fucking foam, dwarf. Yep, you go fuck yourself, Fat Reggie. Man, liquor.